the matter? Really? When did this happen? Wow. Tell me more, Shorty. Okay. And then what? Oh, I see. You want to take me somewhere? Where are you taking me? Wait. The rest of you needs to come with that.
Oh, it looks painful.
Okay. Ow! My fingers. It's okay. They're all still there.
Shorty, where are you taking Daddy? Is it for dinner?
She wasn't taking Daddy. She was taking Daddy's fingers.
Was it for dinner?
You want dinner? You want dinner? Is that what you want? Dinner? Tell us about dinner. Shorty, tell me about dinner.
Is Daddy gonna give you dinner?
Shorty, who's here? Who's here? Who's here? Who's here? Who's here? Who's here?
That's not very nice.
Who's here?
That's not nice.
Okay. Is dinner here? Who's here? Who's here? Let's go see. Let's go. Come on. Who's here? Well, if you're going to talk to that to me, then maybe I won't give you dinner. Dinner? Okay, let's go. Dinner's upstairs. Go.
Getting a little loud in here. Okay, time for dinner. Dinner time.
Let's go get dinner. Let's go get dinner.